so there's this fucking cat outside. He's really fucking weird. Hey. Okay. What you want? What do you want? What's up? Are you crazy? I think you're crazy. Oh my goodness. You're scaring the shit out of me. What the fuck? Stop following me. You're creeping. Here's my cat. Look here. You cute? Who the hell are you? Who the fuck is you, yo? Who are you? You're crazy. Look at that tail. Look, you're crazy. What's wrong with you? I'm gonna walk over and see if you follow me. Oh my goodness, you're following me. What the fuck is wrong? I'm gonna let the bitch loose. Okay, you're laying down. You're cleaning your crotch. That's fantastic. No, don't follow me. You wanna go outside? Go. Go. Okay. She doesn't like him. Well, bye.